Okay, so let's start. I'm going to start sharing the screen, okay? And today is going to be super easy, super quick, and I'm sure you're going to understand it perfectly. So let's do this. Okay, so we're going to study esperar. So esperar can be with infinitive or with subjunctive, okay? So when do we use esperar with infinitive? Okay, we use it when it's the same subject, okay? So yo espero aprobar el examen. I hope to pass the exam, okay? As it's the same subject, okay? Espero aprobar. Esperar plus infinitive. Espero ganar el partido. I hope to win the game. Okay, so same subject plus infinitive. Okay? And if it's different subject, here, it then is when we use the subjunctive. Okay, so espero que me acompañes. So I hope you come with me. Okay, so as you see, there are two different subjects, so we have to use subjunctive. Okay, another one is espero que todo salga bien. Okay, so I hope everything turns out okay. Okay, so are we good? Hola! Hi everyone joining. So today we're seeing the difference between esperar. Esperar plus infinitive, I'm going to say again very quickly and we're going to practice now. So esperar plus infinitive, same subject, okay? So yo espero aprobar el examen. I hope to pass the exam. Okay, esperar plus infinitive. And when it's different subject, okay, then it's subjuntivo, subjunctive. Okay, so espero que me acompañes. I hope you come with me. Okay, so subjunctive. Yes, subjunctive is a mood. Okay, so you know that in Spanish we have subjunctive mood, okay, and indicative mood. So indicative mood is the mood that we use like almost all the time because we are talking about things that are not certain, okay? And subjunctive, it's used, okay, when we are doubting, when we have emotions, okay? So that's the difference. So are you ready to practice? Today is going to be very quick and easy for you. So let's start. Ella espera el examen. So, ¿qué es subjuntivo? Have you understood what subjunctive is? Let's wait for a second. Have you understood what subjunctive is? So we have the verbs, okay? And the tenses, past, present, future, okay? So we have, in Spanish, indicative mood and subjunctive mood. Indicative for certain things, for things that are for sure, I mean. So, yo voy al colegio, I go to school. Mañana iré a ver a mi madre. Tomorrow I will go to visit my mom. So things that are, okay, for certain. And subjunctive mood is used for wishes, hopes, emotions, when we make negative some sentences, okay? And we also have the trigger of que. Okay, so you're already doing this. So ella espera. Okay, ella espera, let me check. Muy bien. Muy bien. Ella espera aprobar el examen. Great job, everyone. I was here explaining, I had to check your answers. Muy bien, perfect. So, ella espera aprobar el examen. She hopes to pass the exam. Why is infinitive? Because it's the same subject. Ella espera aprobar, okay? Perfect. So, espero que hoy te... Bien. Thank you for the hearts. Espero que hoy te... Bien. Portar. Portar is behave. Okay, so I say this to my little son every single day. I hope that today you behave better or good. So, espero que hoy te... Different subject. So we have to use subjunctive. Okay, so if you don't know how to conjugate subjunctive, it doesn't matter, only write down indicative or subjunctive, okay? So it has to be subjunctive, okay, because it's different subject. Espero que hoy te portes. I hope you behave, okay? Espero que hoy te portes bien. Muy bien. Perfect. Okay, so don't worry if you don't know how to conjugate subjunctive mood, okay? just only I want you to realize if you would use to think about indicativo o subjuntivo. Perfect. Muy bien. Espero que hoy te portes bien. Perfecto. Muy bien. Perfect. Muy bien. Okay, next one. Nosotros esperamos que nuestro equipo... Okay, indicativo o subjuntivo. Nosotros, we, esperamos, hope, que nuestro equipo, okay, ganar, win. So it's a match, no? You want your equipo, you're the one that you follow to win. So, indicativo o subjuntivo. Muy bien. Nuestro equipo is singular, okay? It's different subject. Yo, o sea, nosotros esperamos que nuestro equipo. So it's different subject. Different subject is subjuntivo. Okay, sorry, I was reading your questions. I would explain that, don't worry, silly. Okay, so nosotros esperamos que nuestro equipo gane. Perfect. Nuestro equipo. Okay, nuestro equipo is third person. Although it's plural, it's singular in form. So it has to be third person. So the third person of the subjunctive mood in the present is gane. Okay? Muy bien. So I want you to understand that it's subjunctive. Do you understand that why we are using subjunctive here? Because it's different subject, okay? Yes, are we good? Okay, great. Okay, next one. Ayer Fátima estaba muy triste. So yesterday Fátima was so sad. Espero que hoy, no, it's not yo, sorry, there's a type there. So espero que hoy estar mejor. Okay? Espero que hoy estar mejor. Okay? So, yo espero que Fátima mejor. Do you think it's indicativo or subjuntivo? Tell me. I'm seeing so many questions about other things. We're explaining today esperar que. I will try to get to your questions, but if I don't, please send me a DM, okay? And I will answer back. Yes, subjuntivo, okay? Because it's different subject. So, ayer Fátima estaba muy triste. Yesterday Fátima was very sad. Espero que hoy ella esté mejor. Yo espero, I hope that she, okay, is feeling better today. So, espero que hoy esté mejor. Perfecto, subjuntivo, muy bien. Perfecto. Great. Perfect. Okay, so the last one. Are you ready for our last one? Are you ready? No encuentro las llaves. I can't find the keys. Espero no, I hope, haber perdido. So here we have I hope I haven't lost them, okay? So what would you put here? Thank you for the hearts. I can't find the keys. I hope I haven't lost them. I hope. Muy bien. So we have to use infinitivo. Okay, so espero no haber. Muy bien. There's a little more to this sentence. Do you know? Because espero no, if I put only haber, it would be haber perdido, and we need the object. Haber perdido las llaves, okay? We would need that. As I am omitting las llaves, do you remember when we studied the direct object? Las llaves, feminine, plural. Las llaves is feminine and it's plural, right? Do you remember that when we study that the usage of direct object pronouns, la, lo, las, los, do you remember? Well, this one, okay, is las. Muy bien. Perfect, Jennifer, but we have to put it the other way. So, espero no haberlas perdido. Okay, so espero no haberlas perdido, okay? Perfect. Las is the pronoun muy bien, everyone, but we have to use haberlas. It goes after the verb, okay? I hope I haven't lost them, okay? Espero no haberlas perdido. That's it. Muy bien, everyone. Perfect. Perfect. Yay! Can you believe we are almost done? So we have one day left. So today we have done this one and we have only one day left. Are you enjoying this January challenge? This little practice each and every day? Tell me. I want to know. I'm so happy doing this every single day, but I want you to enjoy it, okay? And remember, thank you for the hearts. Remember that I'm trying to put up every single video on my YouTube channel, okay? And I have all the slides in the link in my bio, and you can't imagine how much practice you can get there. It's amazing. Thank you for the hearts. You're so nice. Okay. Qué bien. Muchísimas gracias. You make me so, so happy. Okay, so I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day if you still have day left. Gracias, Diva. Yes, we'll practice more. So I hope you have a wonderful day and we'll see each other tomorrow, okay? Same time, 9 p.m. European time, okay? And we'll do our last one. I just can't believe it. Thank you so much, muchísimas gracias y nos vemos mañana. Adiós, un beso. Adiós.